I was a little confused about how Pacific Pride works. It's not like they publish their prices. Is it worth it in the long run? And I found it was about 13% cheaper than conventional gas stations, 51 cents a gallon in my particular case. So this is how it works.
After about 1 or 2 weeks, you'll receive some special cards in the mail from Pacific Pride, at which point you can pull up, you can choose. In my particular case, I just need 87 regular unleaded for my fleet vehicle right here. You can get a card for every person or even every vehicle, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how that is done. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in like so, pull it out, and now we're going to enter our secret PIN, which is 5 digits in length. Odometer, I don't necessarily need the odometer, but I'm gonna do that anyway. I actually track my mileage elsewhere, but I'm just gonna type in 18457, which it is currently, hit enter. And now we enter our pump number, which is number 2 right over there. And that is it. Now we go and pump our gas, just like at a regular gas station, except the only difference is there's no attendant. And so it is a little cheaper for gas because they don't have to pay someone like that to hover around all day, nor are they trying to upsell you on chips and soda. So it's pretty much just gas for your commercial vehicles. Super easy.
How do you actually pay your invoice? So I don't know how often they send these invoices, but I just got this in my email box and I wanted to show you guys. I blocked out some of my personal information, but you'll see that this is a PDF and a total due is going to be right here along with the due date. My guess is they're going to be debiting this from my business checking account, which I put that information in initially when I filled out the application on their website. In addition to this email right here that I received, I also got an email that is an Excel spreadsheet with all the different vehicles, odometer readings, the people who pump the gas, the totals, everything like that. So me, I just need the PDF so I know how much I'm paying. But if you're a numbers junkie, if you're a bookkeeper or accountant, wants an actual Excel spreadsheet detailing all the odometer information, there's a separate email with all of that. So really they give you so much information, and since it's cheaper in the long run and they're not trying to upsell me on a whole bunch of potato chips and Pringles and energy drinks that, oh, might as well buy that because that's at the gas station. I actually come out in the long run ahead financially speaking, and also it's just so nice to have this data for my business.